Welcome to this analysis on the growing business opportunities between India and Latin America, with a special focus on Peru. In the next few minutes, we will explore how these two regions are building bridges toward a future of deeper economic cooperation. From the Faculty of Economic and Administrative Sciences at El Bosque University, in the International Business Program, we welcome you to this video. Peru and India: Trade Opportunities and the Future of the Free Trade Agreement. Let's start with something very important: the growth of trade between India and Latin America. Over the past 2 decades, trade between India and Latin America has experienced impressive growth, multiplying 20-fold. Despite these advances, bilateral trade is still below its true potential. A report by the Inter-American Development Bank, titled A Bridge Between India and Latin America, highlights key sectors like mining, agriculture, and technology as drivers of future growth. One of the biggest barriers remains the geographical distance and high transportation costs. Reducing logistical costs, improving port infrastructure, and promoting stronger trade agreements are key steps to unlocking the full potential of this economic relationship. Additionally, India sees Latin America as a strategic opportunity to diversify its trading partners, traditionally focused on Asia and Europe. What about the case of Peru and India? For Peru, India has become a key trading partner. In 2023, bilateral trade reached $3.6 billion, with gold and copper accounting for 98% of Peru's exports to India. However, as Malatesta's 2020 study indicates, Peru faces the challenge of diversifying its exports beyond primary products. India, in turn, offers Peru a wide variety of manufactured goods such as vehicles, pharmaceuticals, and technology. This relationship not only benefits both countries in trade terms but also opens up opportunities to strengthen Peru's local industries and generate jobs in non-traditional sectors. What about India's investments in Peru? Trade is not the only pillar of this relationship. Between 2011 and 2017, Indian investments in Peru reached $16.7 million, mainly concentrated in mining, technology, and the pharmaceutical sector. Although this figure is lower compared to countries like Chile or Colombia, the presence of Indian companies in Peru continues to expand. Companies like Archean and Zuari Agro are strengthening their operations in Peru, while Peruvian companies like Grupo AGE have consolidated themselves in the Indian market. This flow of investments benefits both countries, allowing Peru to diversify its economic base and integrate more technology and innovation into its industrial development. Now, let's talk about the Free Trade Agreement (FTA) between Peru and India. One of the most important advancements in this relationship is the negotiation of a free trade agreement between Peru and India. Since 2015, both countries have been working on a deal that covers not only goods but also services, labor mobility, and economic cooperation. In 2024, negotiations have regained momentum, with a new round scheduled to address technical barriers, sanitary measures, and strengthen trade cooperation. This agreement would position Peru as the first Latin American country with an FTA with India, strategically positioning itself in the region. However, not all sectors view this agreement favorably. The National Society of Industries has expressed concerns about potential unfair competition in products like textiles and medicines, due to India's more flexible labor policies and competitive pricing. From all this, it's clear that despite the challenges, strengthening trade relations between India and Latin America, particularly with Peru, offers a future full of opportunities. Sectors such as mining, technology, and manufacturing are well positioned to lead this new era of cooperation. Time will tell how far these two emerging giants will go in their efforts to build solid economic bridges. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the trade opportunities between India and Latin America. Goodbye.